Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply visual effect to any SwiftUI view for native iOS application. Now I am applying visual effect in two places. The color, as you can see, it changes as I go down the list. That is one of the visual effect. Also the text which you see is little out of sync, right? So if I scroll here, you can see the text is getting placed properly as soon as I scroll. So yeah, that's what this visual effect will be able to help us with. Hopefully you got the point. Let's see how to do this. So here is our SwiftUI application. I have created one content view. Inside that I have created the struct firstly of hashable and identifier of ID and name, and here I have just filled in some data which we will use directly. Okay, next, if you see, this is our content view. I have taken one scroll view of v stack and I am looping over that preview data which we have. I have created a rounded rectangle. I have filled in with purple, and here as you can see I am applying this visual effect. Now this is for the color or hue, and here you can see this is how I am changing it. Again, I am not really good at this. Even I have copied this from documentation. Then I have created a frame, a padding and overlay, and on that I have this particular text. I have again assigned our name, font of title, and here is our visual effect as well. And then all I do is content.offset x geometry.frame global.origin.y -50. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.